Hello, my name is Lakshya Singh and I'm here with my friend Sachi.
What is space debris?
Space junk or space debris isn't piece of any machinery or debris left by humans in space.
Do you know some human made junk has been left on the moon too?
But how much space junk is there?
While there are about 2000 active satellites orbiting the Earth at the moment, there are also 3000 dead ones littering space. What's more, there are around 34,000 pieces of space junk bigger than 10 centimeters in size and millions of smaller pieces that could nonetheless prove disastrous if they hit something else.
How does space junk get into the space? Let's take an example of a spaceship traveling from Earth and due to some physical damage in fuel tank, the spaceship catches fire and it blasted. Now the debris which spread in space start revolving around the Earth. So all the space junk is result of launching objects from Earth and it remains in orbit until it re-enters the atmosphere. What risk does space junk pose to space exploration?
Fortunately, at the moment, space junk doesn't pose any huge risk to our exploration efforts. The biggest danger it poses is to other satellites in the orbit. These satellites have to move out of the way of all this incoming space junk to make sure they don't get hit and potentially damaged or destroyed. In total, across all satellites, hundreds of collisions avoidance maneuvers are performed every year, including by the International Space Station.
So the goal of this mission is to remove as many as pieces of debris with minimum amount of fuel. How can we clean up space junk?
There are major 5 big solutions, but today I am going to tell you about the best possible method, that is space debris slingshot. A proposed space junk removal system would hop from one piece of debris to the next without burning much fuel, potentially making a declutter mission economically feasible with current technology. The Tamu space sweeper with slingshot or 4S for short would harness the momentum imparted by capturing and ejecting one object to slingshot onto the next chunk of space junk.
The basic idea behind slingshot is to have a spin stabilized satellite that collects the debris at the ends of adjustable arms. Adjusting the length of these arms controls how fast it spins, which also determines the ejection speed. Setting the ejection angle is just a matter of timing when to let it go. Let's perform an activity. Let's assume I am Earth and this ball as debris. So when the satellite will capture debris, due to conservation of momentum of rotation of arms of satellite, it will throw the debris far from Earth. Have you ever watched Mission Mangal? Yes, you are right. The same concept of slingshot was used there to get out of Earth's gravitational field. Here is a working model of space debris slingshot and a 3D model of spaceship which is used to reach in space. I have made this in Blender software. I will leave the files in the description below.